We are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, we are marking up ETH USD crypto. Let's see what's going on in the market. So let's find an area in the market so we can discuss patterns. So currently we are on a weekly time frame. Let's head down to, we're on a daily time frame. Let's head down to the 4-hour. Okay, let's go back as far as February 2021. All right, so let's see what's going on in this area. So let's figure out what happened in this area to the right. Let's figure out what happened with this area of support and why the market went up to this high and what happened in this area. Okay, so when price came off this area of my red line I created, we can clearly see the market did that pattern that we see all the time from Forex pattern cheat sheet, which is the head and shoulders pattern. So market pushed up once, came back down, market pushed up twice, came back down, market pushed up 3 times, finally dropped back down. So the retest is somewhere in this area here. So what we received is a head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, or you can call it a triple top. The only thing that makes a difference is that the market, if it was a triple top, it would just be each angle would just be a little higher up. But head and shoulders and triple tops looks the same to me. It's just the angles of the left shoulder and right shoulder. From there, market pushed down once, market pushed down twice, and that's the market cap itself off at. And then we received so that market pushed down 3 times. So once, twice, came back to return, and that's 3. So this whole section right here, think about that as being 1. And then once the market came back to that low, when we look at the market as an overall pattern, what they received, almost similar to the triple top / head and shoulders. And we got that first push down, second push down, third push down. It came back to retest twice and then came back up. So if you exit this out, so 1, 2, and if you think about these 2 pushes down as being one whole and the market coming up, we got the same opposite end. Head and shoulders triple pattern, triple bottom, inverted head and shoulders or triple bottom. And the only thing happening differently from the head and shoulders and the inverted is just that we got a double top, a double bottom for the retest in this area here. So in total, what did we receive? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna add this one, 5. 5 pushes to the bottom. Market once, market twice, market 3 times, 4, 5. Market can't break. 5 pushes to the bottom. Overall area of support. Market couldn't break. Oh, it broke once, but it couldn't hold that break to drop down further. 5 pushes to the top. Then after that, the market pushed up once, twice, 3 times. Back to areas, near areas of highs. And this is 3 pushes to the top. Most of the time after 3 pushes, market comes back down. But what made this market push up a little more, it consolidated into a W. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market shot up once. So that was the final time. So in total, that's 4 pushes to the top, cap. Okay. From there, we have, you can call it a single bottom and a retest or a double top. Market pushed up once, wasn't it? Broke a little bit, came back down. Market pushed up a second time, a little shorter than the highest peak, previous peak. The market came back down. So if you look at it as a whole, it's 1, 2, double top. And then we was looking for the market to push down after the retest. So here go to retest here. So we're looking for the market to push down 3 times, 2 to 3 times. Did not happen. Market consolidated again. So when the market starts consolidating, it always creates some type of pattern in that area. Either it's going to consolidate to drop down or consolidate to drop up, to go up. But it consolidated and went up. What did we receive? First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once. It pushed up once. It wasn't able to come back to previous areas of highs. It actually was still in the same level. All this is still considered the same level. Still money to be made in this area here. And then you can see in total how many times the market pushed up in this area. 1, 2, 3. So we got a retest. So if you look at it as overall, if you're trying to read this as a whole, let me clear this up. So if we was reading the market as a whole, it would be market pushed up once, came back down, market pushed up twice, came back down. That's the retest. So the market retested 1, 2, 3. So if you combine this all together, that's the double top. 3 retests. Market came back to retest all this. Wasn't able to break and drop straight back down. Okay, so it had 3 retests. After that, market pushed down what? Once, twice, 3 times. Everything comes in threes. Back to an area of support. So we're looking for that pattern sitting right in front of us, which is a what? It's a W. First leg, second leg with the blue spike, third leg to the red candle, fourth leg coming up with these dojis. We tested somewhere here. Or if you want to combine that, so don't take that off. So in the fourth leg all the way up, there's still a retest here. Okay, so this is like the W where it's ended and it pushed up higher. But if you want to consider a whole, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times. Wait, did I get that right? First, second, third, fourth. Retest once, retest twice, retest 3 times. Another 3 pushes to the top. So market's at a high again. So 3 to 4 pushes to the top most of the time. Fourth would be the max out. And we can see we got consolidation. So either the market is going to do a double bottom in there, a double top, and we see a double top, which pushed the market down in this area here. So it went from a double bottom, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, W, into a double top, continuation of the leg, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, drop down to an M. So we went into a W to an M to a single bottom that pushed the market up probably, what, 3 to 4 times? Once, twice, 3, 4 times. So market went back to higher highs, 4 pushes to the top. Once we get 3 to 4 pushes to the top, we look for the market to consolidate. We receive here. Market pushed up once that high. Market pushed up twice that high. Market pushed up 3 times. You can call that triple top. And the market broke. The retest is right here in this area. And market sold down. Or you can call that double top and a retest. Market still pushed down. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. Please study Forex Pattern Cheat Sheet, breakout retest strategies, very important information. ETH, USD.